Yeah. నమస్తే అండి, నేను అజిత యోగేష్, సిఇఓ ఆఫ్ హామ్స్టెక్. ఇవాళ మీరు వచ్చిన ఈవెంట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ హామ్స్టెక్ లాంచ్ ప్యాడ్. వీఆర్ ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ దిస్ న్యూ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇప్పటి వరకు హామ్స్టెక్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫోకస్డ్ ఆన్ గెటింగ్ జాబ్స్ ఫర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, అండ్ వీవ్ డన్ దట్ వెరీ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ. బట్ పోయిన 3-4 years నుంచి వీఆర్ సీయింగ్ అ చేంజ్ ఇన్ ద ట్రెండ్ వేర్ మోస్ట్ students now want to become entrepreneurs and they want to start their own business enterprise and journey. Adi Drishtilo Petti, we today have launched something called Hamstech Launchpad. What is this launchpad about? Ante it is going to be a incubation center which is going to help every student, from the idea that they have to how to how to start their organization, what are the licensing that is required, how do you start the business, what are the basic requirements of a business, how do you take that forward, how do you apply for loans, how do you take how do you make this organization to the success, how do you create a digital platform where you can sell, what is the strategy for sales and marketing, all these ivanni chinnaga we will be able to handhold, guide and mentor the students. We are also introducing a mentorship format where the student who's starting the business will be connected to a group of mentors who will from time to time tell them what is that required, and what is a requirement wala business ki avasaramo, our time ki what should they be doing. ఈ అన్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫోటోషూట్, హౌ డూ యూ పుట్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ద డిజిటల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్, మీకు ఫోటోషూట్ కావాలా, వీడియోస్ కావాలా, బైట్స్ కావాలా, ఇవన్నీ చేయాలంటే ప్రతి బిజినెస్ అన్ని ఒకటి ద స్టూడెంట్ హ్యాస్ టు డూ అంటే దాట్స్ అ వెరీ టఫ్ కాల్ ఫర్ ద స్టూడెంట్. సో ఈ సపోర్ట్ మేము ఇస్తాము స్టూడెంట్ కి, సో దట్ దే హ్యావ్ అ వన్ స్టాప్ షాప్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ది ఆర్గనైజేషన్ టు సేల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్. దట్ ఇస్ వాట్ వి ఆర్.
సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలో హామ్స్టెక్ సత్తా చూస్తూనే ఉన్నాము. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ రంగంలో ఎలా ఉంది, స్కోప్ ఎలా ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్?
Scope amazing undandi. My past student experiences have taught us, So udyogam you can start with a salary of maybe 30,000-40,000. You can go up to a couple of lakhs. But as an entrepreneur, there's no end. You can be a successful entrepreneur at any, of course, your idea has to be good, your commitment has to be there, your dedication has to be there. You have to constantly work, take steps every single day and ensure that this is a success. But once you see success, there is no bar paina. You could make millions of rupees, you can make billions of rupees also from this enterprise. So we do not want to limit our students to only jobs. Yes, there are students who want jobs and that is what they look for, so we will still help them. But there is a sect of students who want to take this up and start their own businesses, so we also want to be able to focus on that and ensure that they get the certifications from MSME, Udayam certification, any certifications, government schemes possibility, at an advantage at these scholar students ki. So it is Hamstech is going to learn about all of that and help ensure that we are giving our students the right guidance. So Hamstech wants to be a one-stop shop for all students who want to start their entrepreneurial journey. That's the key of what we are trying to do at Hamstech. And I've seen we have more than 300 students who have shown the initial interest of wanting to start their own entrepreneurial journey, and that itself shows how successful these students want to be. Their ideas are genuine, their interest is very genuine, and I want to really see them all successful. And that's the spirit behind this launch pad that we've started.
Madam, ఇది incubation center.